Hi, Professor. This is the lab one practical. This is the MPP MS project file, which I've renamed as in the lab instructions. I'm going to change the project start date, which is in the project information. We have the start date as July 1st, which I'm just going to update quickly. So we have updated the project start date. We have the scheduling option in the options, which we converted as auto scheduling because that's the purpose of the MS projects, not to manually schedule. We have the auto schedule. Once we have this project, we have its own working hours, like general people do. We have from Monday to Friday, which we updated over here. We change it to Monday to Friday. We set it to specific hours, which is typically from 1 to 4, which we updated. Once the work hours is done, we add some exceptions like holidays, which is on Independence Day, we have a day of off, which is the Independence Day as per this instructional plan is from 4th till 5th, which we updated from 4th till 5th. So, so that was wrongly updated. So this is 4th till 5th. Once we update this, we have the calendars updated. We have the work breakdown structure, which I'm going to just indent from 2 to 5, and then from 7 to 10, and then from 12 to 15, seventeen to 20. These are all the subtasks, and we have till movers. These are subtasks. Movers are till here. We have moving, which is from 33 to 38. Now we have to allocate the durations, which are in some cases wrong, like 12 and 13. It is not week, it ends in a week. So we just update it. So this is also similar to that. Once we have updated this, we have to add our resources. We have these resources with us. We just simply copy paste it into the MS projects. You go to the resource by going to the resource sheet, just paste it. We are updating it into my name. I'm going to copy it so that we can use it in the footer as well. We change it into initials. So this is Susan Smith. The initials are updated. We have the MC moving company. Once we have done this, we go to the Gantt chart and we assign the resources to the particular instructions. 2 to 5 is allocated to Suzanne. So this is taking time. So I'm just going to pause the recording for now. We have updated the details. Upon updating, we are having two problems. We have this over allocation problem, and we have to add some constraints to this 33 and 34 tasks for the moving company. So we resolve the over allocation here by just changing this 23 to 24. It gets resolved automatically. For this, there is one more resolving problem which we have to do by opening the details. Instead of allocating 168 hours of work, we're just going to put 0 hours for both Suzanne and for me. So one problem gets resolved. So this is the next problem which we are again going to resolve by just changing the hours from 168 to 0. So both these overallocation problems have been resolved. Upon it, we have to add some constraints, which is right here. We need to add some constraints such as the start dates. We go to the information. In the past, we use as we must start on from here. And we add the date from 4th of September. We continue. Similarly, for this, we have another constraint and some notes also to be added. It must start on and it should be from 9 September. So we have updated it here as well. It should be as soon as possible. And the calendar should be of 24 hours. We have some notes to be added. Move-in must occur on this day only. We have several parameters added to this task, so we just maximize it. We have this task mode auto schedule, which we just hide. We are going to add in that place work breakdown structure, which gets resulted into numbers. We have to change it into upper case, the subtasks as lowercase, and the further subtasks into numbers. Okay, this is occupying a lot of space. We are reducing it. We wrap text, and then we increase the width so it's more readable. This is like the end. So we just do the spell check. Luckily, we are having just one spell problem, which we have completed. Next, we have our timelines to be fixed. We add this to the timeline. Each subtasks are added into the timeline in this way. So upon completing this timelines, we just have to name it so that we're able to understand it later. Go to the Gantt chart. We activate this. This thing got activated because of clicking it. You just have to write it in a more meaningful way. So the timelines are done. This is like the end of it. We just have to add some footers by using our print tab. We just have to name it with our name as per the instructions. And then we have our network chart, network diagram, which is also listed. And we need to rename the footer in order to follow the instructional plans. So this is almost done. We need to export as an Excel slab one, solution one. Similarly, we have to select the Excel template, finish it. We just have to go to the Gantt again. We select everything, we copy it, we paste it in a doc. So this is the end of it. Thank you.